We try to take as many walk-ins as we can. At some points during the day, though, we do get backed up, so an appointment is recommended.
Toyota Care is your free maintenance. You have 2 years of free maintenance, and that's your oil changes, your tire rotations, top off all the liquids, and check over everything.
You can do a few things. You can either call and ask for a car to test drive. You can come in. You can either chat online, or we have like a chat bot on there that you can chat with too. There's a few different ways.
The 4Runner in limited models, the Sequoia, and the Grand Highlander.
It depends on what accessories you're purchasing, on how much it's going to cost to get them installed, but yes, they will.